Code and Corners, Code and Corners, Code and Corners.
Hello and welcome to this first episode of creating a motorcycle app from the ground up. Intro. Okay, today's goal. So you want to understand the purpose of this course, obviously. You want to understand my background. Why should you listen to me in particular? And you want to understand the end goal. What are you expecting at the end of this course? What are you expecting to achieve? This course is split into 9 parts. We're on the first part right now, the intro. Next episode, we've got what and how, we've got some setup, we've got your app working on a certain machine, your laptop, we've got the app working on your phone, we've got enhancing that app, and the end goal of episode 9. I'll move on to the end goal in a moment. So this course is designed at complete beginners. Whether you're a budding software engineer, whether you're a motorcycle enthusiast, it's here to bridge the gap of relatability between software and motorcycling. We're going to be building a working application that runs across multiple types of phones, iPads, and even laptops. So the first iteration you can see on the screen right now is a recording of me with the first iteration of this app that we will be delivering on episode 6. I'm demoing that it can load without internet connection. You've got a custom app, and it's also got a small piece of functionality where it shows the start time of your motorcycle ride. So a bit about me. Why should you listen to me? Well, I am a Scala software engineer and I've been doing it a very long time, 15 years. I've been leading a team for about 8 years and riding motorbikes for about 5 years. I've got a niche of explaining things to my team and other people in a simple way, breaking down complex ideas and making sure that everyone understands it. So the end goal of this course, what are you going to get by episode 9? Well, you can see I've created a pretty diagram for you to digest. So from left to right, you've got a person, me or you, on your motorcycle with your hand out, touching a physical button on your handlebars. That will send some kind of trigger to your mobile phone, hopefully our app, and our app will formulate a message. That will send a notification to another phone or device, and that second device will be owned by someone you know. So the hypothetical situation that we're solving is you ride your motorcycle, you want to let your loved one know that you're thinking of them, you're having a great time, you're safe, you're happy. So, in summary, we're going to have a digestible set of small videos aimed at any level of experience in software engineering, and they are going to combine not only software engineering but also motorcycling. So, for the next episode, we're going to be delving into different types of apps, your machine setup requirements, and the actual development flow that we're going to follow. On to the next.